Good morning, Primary 2. Today we will talk about magnets, and by the end of lesson, you should be able to differentiate between magnetic materials and non-magnetic materials. Also, we will talk about magnet shape, magnet poles, and how we can use magnet in our life. So, are you ready to start? Okay. Can a magnet attract everything around us? No, magnets can't attract everything around us. So, what is a magnet? It's an object that can attract things made of iron or steel. Again, a magnet is an object that can attract things made of iron or steel. So, coins, paperclip, or fork made of steel can all be attracted to magnet. So, they are known as magnetic materials. Again, coins and paperclip or iron nail or fork made of steel, all of these materials can be attracted to magnet, so they are known as magnetic materials. Okay, but plastic, paper or wood can be attracted to magnet? No, so they are known as non-magnetic materials. Non-magnetic materials. Okay, so when I ask you, can a magnet attract iron nail? It's true because it's made of iron, so it can be attracted to magnet. When I ask you, can a magnet attract plastic? No, because it's non-magnetic material. Now let's talk about magnet shapes. We have four shapes of magnet. Four shapes of magnet. Horseshoe magnet, ring magnet, bar magnet, and magnetic needle. Again, horseshoe magnet, ring magnet, bar magnet, and magnetic needle. Look at this picture. Horses wear shoes in their feet for protection. Can you see the magnet has similar shape of the shoe? So it's named horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe magnet. Now let's talk about magnet poles. Magnet has two poles, S and N. So again, magnet has two poles or two sides, S and N. S means south and N means north. So a magnet has north pole and south pole, okay? What happens when we bring two magnets together? Like poles or similar poles repel each other. So if I put south pole from a magnet with south pole from another magnet, they repel each other. But unlike poles or different poles like S with N, can attract to each other. So again, south pole with north pole from another magnet will attract to each other. Again, like poles like SS or NN repel. Unlike poles like S with N can attract. Okay? So look at here, how can they attract to each other unlike poles? So we talked about magnet shapes, magnetic materials and non-magnetic materials, and magnet poles. Now, how we can use magnet in our life? Magnets have many uses, and the first one, maglev. What's the meaning of maglev? Maglev, magnetic levitation. Maglev, magnetic levitation. Okay, it's a way of moving without touching the ground. Way of moving without touching the ground. So we made train with magnets and they are called maglev trains. Maglev trains. So again, maglev trains can move without touching the track and they are much faster than any trains. They are much faster than other or any trains, okay? It's a maglev train. Also, we can use magnets for sorting or separation. Huge magnets help sort items made of iron and steel before they are recycled. Look at here, you can find plastic with wood and iron. So if you want to separate only iron, you have to use magnet. Again, if you want to separate only iron, you have to use a magnet. Another use of magnets, kitchen tools on the refrigerator. Also, compass is another use of magnet. What is a compass? It's a tool used to know the four main directions, and it's made of magnetic needle inside plastic box. Again, a compass made of magnetic needle inside plastic box. So if you get lost in the forest or anywhere, you can use your compass to know which direction you have to follow. And last use of magnet we have is magnetic toys. Okay? And now with question time. Complete. You have repel, attract, paper, and iron. Number 1. Like poles, repel or attract each other? Repel. Super. 2. Unlike poles, repel or attract each other? Attract. So south with north, attract. 3. A magnet can attract iron or paper? Iron, because iron is magnetic material. And last one, a magnet doesn't attract paper. Okay? True and false. Number 1. A magnet is used in magnetic compass. True. Number 2. A magnet attracts glass and wood. No, it's wrong. They are non-magnetic materials. 3. A magnet has two poles. True. S and N. 4. Opposite poles repel each other. S and repel. No, it's wrong. Opposite poles attract each other. 5. A magnet must touch an object to attract it. No. Last one. North pole of the magnet attract the north pole of another magnet. N attract. No. N repel. Like poles repel each other. Okay, now you have iron, wood, and steel. Which word is different here? Iron and steel can be attracted to magnet. So we can choose wood is different because wood is non-magnetic material. Okay, now you have bar magnet, ring magnet, iron nail, and horseshoe magnet. Which word is different here? Iron nail, because all of them are shapes of magnet. Number 3, you have iron, plastic, paper, and wood. So iron is different because all of them are non-magnetic materials. And last one, you have north, south, and left. Which one is different here? Left. Super. Okay, now you have two bar of magnets, okay? Like poles, repel or attract each other? SS, repel. Super. And unlike poles, can you see how they are attract to each other? So unlike poles, attract. Thank you for watching and goodbye.